with lights and without lights. So this is how it looks. By the way, this tile that I have done made this balloon chandelier with the help of the fan. This my mother used to do. जब हम छोटे थे तो मम्मा क्या करती थी, सारे बलून्स को एक साथ एक बिल्कुल शैंडलियर जैसा बना देती थी. So see how nice it's looking. Whatever I've learned from my mother, and I've copied from my mama basically. And this is with dim light. So this is that simple decoration which I've done for him. Basically, he has his birthday tomorrow, but due to some official engagements, he's not present and he won't be available. So for that matter, what I've done, हम आज ही celebrate करने का सोच रहे हैं. And by the way, let me tell you why I have put this candle, because after Diwali, I need to use all the candles. So instead of ordering those artificial birthday candles, I thought कि मैं ये Diwali scented candles, उसको use करूँ to give that little Indian touch. That's why I've used that. And something about this is the balloon chandelier, जिसको thread से हमने लगा रखा है. You won't be able to see it, but see right here. इसको हमने thread से यहाँ पे अटका दिया है, so that it gives this kind of a balloon chandelier kind of look. Let me tell you one thing, this my mother used to do for us. And वो क्या करती थी, सारे balloons को नीचे scatter करने की बजाय she used to hang it out like a balloon chandelier. So look how pretty it is looking. Beautiful. And cake I have ordered from Cafe Coffee Day because we love that cake. Let me show you the cake as well. And it's the chocolate truffle one. So yeah, this is one of our favorites. So yeah, we're gonna celebrate the birthday today only. And the most favorite part is this, and most definitely this. I love the color of this frills because ये मेरे curtains से थोड़ा सा match कर रहा था. So I thought that why not to go for this. Yeah. I think he's about to come. So quickly I want to show you something and I want to make you a good learning about something. अगर आपके घर में बर्थडे कटिंग नाइफ नहीं है, फैंसी बर्थडे कटिंग नाइफ, एंड इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग दैट घर का किचन वाला चाकू और समथिंग, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस, इट लुक्स वेरी स्केरी, बट या अगर आपके पास ये वाली नाइफ अगर आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं टू कट द केक, ऑलवेज 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 कवर द हैंडल विद दिस फ्रिल्स, with this lovely shiny frills. I have tried to cover it, but ये थोड़ा सा haphazard हो गया, but you can do it better, I know. So always cover it with this frills, because it is the same that the चाकू को as such नहीं रखते हैं cake cutting knife के लिए, that Indian thing. So always cover it with this lovely fancy frills, and it's gonna look beautiful. And also one more thing, what I've just realized lately, that frills are also of pink color, metallic pink color. Balloons are also of pink color, pink, purple and white combination, all the colors. Because actually मैं ये Blinkit से order करी थी for my husband's birthday, and what I realized that ये जो balloon मैंने order करा है वो तो मेरा favorite है, and it's a boy's birthday, so I should have ordered something like blue or something like some other color. Basically blue color का मुझे balloon order करना चाहिए था, but I have ordered everything pink. And him is gonna look like a lovely princess, little princess birthday. So ये बिल्कुल वैसी vibe दे रहा है. But anyways, I think effort matters more than the color code. Alright, so this is quite funny, which I have lately realized. Actually, I was showing this video, this decoration to my mama. And then my mother told me that ये सब pink क्यों है, ये तो हिमांशु का birthday, it's Himi's birthday, so he's a boy, so you should have ordered something blue in color or या फिर multicolor. But then I was ordering and मुझे pink, purple and white पसंद है, तो मैंने वही combination order कर दिया. Just Molly's thing, what to do. Vlogging as well, so I think I need to, this is high time to buy the tripod stand. Let's see. Oh, nice. She has mentioned that Jiju. I forgot to mention husband. But look how beautiful this cake is. I think this is also the chocolate one. Yeah, this is also the chocolate cake. So we have got two chocolate cakes, one here and one here. Oh, now he's home, so I need to stop the video. Because the reason is this, that I went for the examination duty, which was held on Sunday. So let me show you my outfit. This was my outfit for today, because the winters are near, and you know, just a cotton suit, but a little bit of you know, warm is necessary. So I'm wearing this long cardigan. I've paired it up with long cardigan, and this is what I wore for today. Okay, now Shera is right here. I know what you want. I know what you want. Come, come, come treat, Shera. Come treat. Come. I'm gonna give Shera his treat. And I've kept it somewhere, but I don't know where I've kept it. Okay, it's here. This is his treat. Just came back from college and he was just waiting for me. So I thought to make him happy. Shera, 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 treat, treat, treat. Happy. So our exam duty tha. The worst part. Okay, I'll tell you with the best part. I'll start with the best part. Best part is this, that you know, अगर आपका कॉलेज होता है तो जो काम आप सोचते हो कि you know, इसको 1 बज जाएगा होते होते, but when you are working, when you have a routine, तो morning में वो सारे काम हो जाते हैं. Like for example, to prepare meal and to do all the household chores, you know, morning chores. So संडे को you'll realize that वो ही काम करने में आपको कम से कम 1 या 2 बज जा रहे हैं आफ्टरनून के. बट अगर आप डेली रूटीन में होते हो तो वो विद इन 1 or 2 hours वो सारे हो जाता है. बट दैट वॉज द बेस्ट पार्ट. मेरा संडे है, यूजुअली मेरी मॉर्निंग बहुत लेट होती है एंड इट्स लेजी मॉर्निंग. बट आज यू नो कॉलेज था तो इस वजह से सब चीज़ें फटाफट फटाफट करी. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट यू कैन everything is in its proper place. Everything is clean. Home looks neat and clean. Now, the worst part. Sunday, I have just realized one thing, you know, lately. जब मैं previous अपने यूनिवर्सिटी में थी वहाँ पे खैर इतना मेरा you know नहीं ज़्यादा you know headache था, because I was living single out there, and I used to get up in the morning and breakfast was all in my hands, lunch was all in my hands, so कुछ भी बनाना नहीं पड़ता था. But the thing was that जो काम Sundays people think कि ये काम हम Sunday को करेंगे, पर इन actual Sunday को वो काम होता नहीं है. Sunday को the best part is this, that you get to have a lazy morning, because otherwise other days you are like you have to get up in the morning. So आप 6:30 या 7 या max 7:30 तक आप उठ जाओगे, because आपको 9 बजे से पहले पहले पंच करना होता है. You have the biometric system, so you know you don't get to have that lazy morning. But Sundays especially, you have that liberty and you have that luxury of lazy mornings. And काम तो उस दिन भी नहीं होता. And मैंने एक चीज़ रियलाइज़ करी है, संडे कितनी जल्दी निकल जाता है. तो that is you know something which I am trying to figure out, कि संडे इतनी जल्दी क्यों पास हो जाता है, बाकी डेज तो इतनी जल्दी पास नहीं होते. So yeah, Sundays are like you get to you know get up late, you get to do everything late. आज मैं घर पहुंची हूँ 2 बजे. तो as you can see, it's about to get 2. It's 10 to 2 now. So we have 2 cakes in our hands. One is this one. This was from Cafe Coffee Day, and it was truffle. And this is chocolate mousse. I think I'm gonna have half of both, but it's okay. Work is worship, है ना. तो कभी कभी ये चीज़ भी होनी चाहिए, इससे आपको संडे का और ज़्यादा महत्व पता चलता है, right? While I enjoy my chocolate mousse, after this I'm gonna make puris for myself, because in the morning I just made for Hemi, and I was not able to have it because I was in a hurry. Now I'm gonna enjoy puri aloo, and then I will sleep. and I will have lazy evenings. That's what I'm gonna do. So this is the puri made in a shape of heart, as you can see. So now I'm gonna enjoy my puris because in the morning I was not able to have, and I'll have puri along with pahadi aloo ki gutke. Yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy that, and then let's see. You know, because in the morning my mother said that आज जो है वो तवा नहीं लगता है because किसी का बर्थडे होता है या फिर you know there is some kind of a festival or something. So the first thing that you do is कढ़ाई लगाओ. So that's what I did in the morning. I wanted to shoot my morning as well. मैंने आज क्या बनाया हेम के लिए. Basically I made सूजी का हलवा and I made puri and see ये बहुत अच्छे से फूला हुआ है as you can see. So I'm gonna have this one and the heart shape one. So yeah, basically I made सूजी का हलवा. I made puri and आलू के गुटके. सूजी का हलवा I'm gonna show you, it was really nice but मैं बस एक ही स्पून खा पाई. So yeah, in the morning I wanted to show that how I did and all, but I was in a hurry, so I was not able to record it. That's why I'm showing you that what all I had. And now I'm gonna enjoy my lunch, which was supposed to be a breakfast, but now it's lunch. And after that, I'm gonna sleep. So I think I'm gonna end my vlog right here.